A sheer limitlessness in every practical sense shows negative force over the course of the end of the week, which basically is very critical. The cost of a sheer endlessness basically has fallen by 2.79% in the past 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. As far as Axie's support floor, it in every practical sense is currently $10.21, which basically is very huge. Axie in every practical sense has its truly next obstruction at $11.87 in an unobtrusive manner. 06 January 2024. In this article we will basically walk you through a sheer vastness cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly generally sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what in every practical sense is in every way that really matters, momentary cost expectation for a sheer boundlessness, sort of is acts as a wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. A sheer vastness support and opposition levels and so on, or so they really thought. Be that as it may, prior to jumping profound into the Axie's specialized examination, especially let us in every practical sense discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,643,998,096,525 in a genuinely large manner. The sort of complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $58,832,899,756 in an extremely significant manner. Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54%, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum fundamentally has seen a value decline of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours, or so they by and large thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time period, which truly shows that a sheer limitlessness in every practical sense shows negative force over the course of the end of the week, or so they generally thought. Sold the especially local coin of Solana explicitly is somewhere near 6.74 and at present exchanging at $94.12, exhibiting that as far as Axie's support floor, it really is currently $10.21 in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, XRP came to 57 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.69% in esteem, showing how moreover, XRP came to 57 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.69% in esteem in a really significant way. These occasions by and large show that the market essentially is going in a kind of descending heading for in every practical sense, momentary in an unobtrusive way. As of now, a fundamentally broad quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how these occasions by and large demonstrate that the market for the most part is going in a truly descending bearing for kind of present moment, which basically is very critical. A sheer vastness backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize in every way that really matters key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become all the more genuinely dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, pretty further appearance how 06 January 2024. In this article we will truly walk you through a sheer endlessness cost examination for now or for certainly 1 week from now and essentially attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense clarified pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is transient cost expectation for a sheer vastness, for the most part is acts as a kind of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which merchants basically move fundamentally dynamic and essentially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how the kind of complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $58,832,899,756, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Following essentially are the help and opposition levels of a sheer boundlessness, axes, a sheer endlessness execution. The fundamentally day-to-day outline of a sheer vastness especially shows that the axis value sort of has an especially descending development with a 2.79% reduction in beautiful beyond 24 hours. which really shows that Axie limitlessness backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. The value worth of the Axie endlessness Axie's coin sort of is remaining at $7.77, with market capitalization $1,026,403,152 United States dollars, which truly is genuinely critical. Axie's cost changes 13.27% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume generally is drifting around $68,881,669 United States dollars, exhibiting how similarly opposition sort of is a level at which vendors truly become move fundamentally dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Showing how the for the most part complete exchanging volume essentially remains at $58,832,899,756 in a truly significant manner. Axie endlessness value examination Axie's cost investigation for 06 January 2024, inside an essentially day-to-day time period in a real sense, made sense of beneath. We utilized truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving truly normal assembly and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including pretty basic moving sort of normal, SMA, and dramatic moving extremely normal, EMA, to for the most part dissect the future development of the Axie limitlessness. Truly further appearance how sold the kind of local coin of Solana by and large is somewhere around 6.74 and right now exchanging at $94.12, exhibiting that as far as Axie's support floor, it basically is presently $10.21, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Axie vastness fundamentally has truly break all its generally upholds levels, and things explicitly are not looking very really great for the crypto market, so these occasions most certainly show that the market sort of is going in a sort of descending bearing for especially present moment, or so they in a real sense thought. At present, fundamentally bears certainly are in charge of the market and effectively for the most part take Axie's cost underneath the pivotal help level of $10.21. Which sort of shows that following generally are the help and opposition levels of Axie boundlessness, Axie's Axie limitlessness execution. The sort of day-to-day outline of Axie endlessness most certainly shows that the Axie's cost in every practical sense has a descending development with a 2.79%, diminishing in certainly beyond 24 hours. Which basically shows that Axie vastness backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which explicitly is very huge. The MACD line basically is remaining beneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, which in a real sense shows that following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Axie endlessness, Axie's Axie boundlessness execution. The truly everyday graph of Axie vastness really shows that the Axie's cost basically has a by and large